So hello and welcome you all to sailtomdsacademy Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay, the Pediatric Dentist and Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So now dear student, as yesterday we uploaded the video regarding the important information for GPSC dental exam, but yet many students have few confusion, few doubts are there. So from morning many messages have come. So I had planned that I'll make one video in which I can solve all your doubt, so you can go for proper form filling and proper preparation for your examination. So now dear students, I'm going to talk important points like exam pattern, then there are a few doubts regarding cutoff and eligibility, then we're going to talk about the syllabus, exam date, number of seats, and also the form filling guidelines. I'm going to run one video in that you get idea that how you have to go for the form filling. Now dear student, exam pattern is very simple. You people are lucky that only dentist subject is covered, that is of 200 marks. The duration will be around 3 hours. Now few students are confused about these 25% mark, 20 marks. Remember dear students, around 36 seats are there, so they are going to call around 120 to 150 students. So it is not like that you have to get 120 marks or 130 marks or 140 marks. The top 150 students are going to get selected. So you have to be very crisp in your examination. Means you have to score more than 140 if at all you want to get eligible for the interview. And remember dear students, the negative marking is there. Let's say the 1 mark is for the correct answer. For negative marking it is around 0.3. So negative marking is definitely there in this examination. Okay dear students, then about syllabus. Before that, remember those students who have not joined, we have the preparation series in which exams, past papers, micro lectures are there, which you can access at any time at any point. Okay dear students, so if anybody want to join, you can message me on the number given on the screen. Now syllabus, so you can see the syllabus I have put on the screen. In short, if you tell, sir, what is the syllabus in nutshell, it is whatever you study from first to final year, anything they can ask you. So you have to study properly. Most of our dear students, the clinical subjects have more weightage, like say of 200 questions, around 120, 130 you can expect from clinical subjects, and remaining 70 you can expect from your first, second, third year medical subjects. But you can see mostly everything has been covered in this syllabus, and in our lectures and notes also we are covering everything. Now dear students, exam date and number of seats, remember they are not yet mentioned exam date, but whenever they are putting one form or they are putting one advertisement, mostly they give around 2 to 3 months for the student for preparation. Ideally, if I check out last 7 to 8 years, you are going to get minimum 2.5 to 3 months for the preparation. If at all you are lucky, it can extend for 1 or 2 months. But please students, keep it in mind that 3 months are there, and in that manner you have to study. And we have a lot of videos are there how you have to prepare and everything. You can check out our GPSC playlist. And remember the 36 seats are there, and also the female reservation of 10 seats are there. That's a very good. Now form filling guidelines, we are going to see how you have to fill the form. So now dear students, you can see on the screen the form filling. So when you open the GPSC website, you are going to have such a screen. So if somebody have applied before, you can apply with the help of OTR. And if somebody is planning for new registration, they have to click on the new registration. If you apply with the OTR, the benefit will be there that all your details will be feeded when you just open up the form. So let's say I'm going to show you an example how you have to apply via OTR and what all information you have to click in that. So you can see on the screen dear students, first of all you have to go for the personal details, the proper details you have to fill, then the communication detail has to be entered, then your other details about your category and everything has to be entered. You can pause and you can check out. Then about your 10th mark sheet, the language is then you have to upload proper photograph, and you have to upload proper signature also. You can see in the screen I uploaded. Okay, and then you have to go for education details about BDS, MDS, and about additional information. Experience, as of they are not asking for any experience for this post. If at all you have any experience, you can post in that. It is not going to create major change in your selection. The selection is purely dependent on your examination which you are going to keep. After you go for the save and you submit the form, you have to go for the payment. And remember, for the payment, you have online payment also. The best thing is that go for the online payment only. Don't go for any demand draft and anything. Okay, dear students, and remember, after you go for the payment, you are going to get such a application fee copy. A candidate copy will be there. Remember, you have to save this copy and have one hard copy also, because it is very necessary during your interview. They are going to ask this document, so you have to download it and have one hard copy also. So if at all you miss out anything in your laptop, then the problem will not be there. Then you are also going to get the form which are your field. So this form will be there. So remember, dear students, after your payment, you have to download this form also and have one copy with yourself. This will also helpful during your interview. They are going to asking that all the details will be there. And one important thing, if anybody have not registered for GSDC, please register. If somebody have not renew, they have to renew also. These are all things you have to keep in mind. And remember, dear students, don't fill your form in mobile. My humble request to all of you, please try to fill the form in laptop only. So what happened, any error will not be there. You can easily save the form. You can easily go for the printout also. So dear students, that was all from my side. Any problem, you can let me know. The number is there on the screen. And please, dear student, it's a very good chance, because you can say after 2020 few seats come like 2, 3 like that, but now this time they have gone for around 36 to 46 seats. So please work hard if at all you are serious for the GPS examination. And remember, it is not easy like that. Just you are going for the examination, you are going to be a stuff, because students not only for the exam, but also going to give the students who are giving the PG, they are also going to give. Students going for the NEET MDS are also going to give some lot of competition with them for this 36 to 46 seats. Any doubt, any problem, you can let me know. Till then, dear students, take care and thank you.